All the Camaro owners know this routine. Open the trunk, pop it, put whatever you need to put in, grab whatever you need to do. Closing the trunk, on the other hand, it's either by the bow tie, by the spoiler, and off it goes. But I have a little something that'll help you fix that little issue. Hello everyone, welcome to another install video. Before I get into the next part that I'm going to install, I'd like to give a quick shout out to a fellow YouTuber, MojaveKY. I'm going to post the link to his channel right down below in the description, so please don't forget to stop by his channel, subscribe, check out some of his videos. He has a lot of really cool videos. So this brings us to the problem that I just mentioned before, but closing the trunk. So as I mentioned, the idea that was given to me by the MojaveKY was it's a really simple one, but very useful. It's a pull strap for the trunk in order to be able to close the trunk much easier without, again, grabbing onto the bow tie or the top of your lid. If your car's dirty, getting your fingers dirty and whatnot. So here's what the strap basically looks like. I'll get it out of the little plastic bag. Obviously I got one in red because it's my red car. But they do sell them in different colors, and I will put the link down below as well where you can purchase it. But again, very straightforward install, so let's get to it. Alright, so for this install we're going to need a couple of things. Obviously the removal tool for these plastic fasteners. I also like to use these pliers to basically grab onto the plastic fasteners once they partially come out, because otherwise you may struggle a little bit with this plastic tool, or they may fly right out. I had a couple of problems with a few other installs where this came really in handy. And then the X-Acto knife to cut out a small hole right around the area where the pull strap will come out. Alright? Alright, so let's go ahead and remove a couple of these plastic fasteners. Then this part right here, and then pull it down partially. You don't really have to remove the entire cover. Alright, see, a little easier. It still will give you a little bit of leverage, and then use the pliers. At least that's my preference. Unless you just grab onto it and pull it really hard. And now we should be able to pull this cover down enough to expose this bolt right here that we're going to use a hex bit to remove. Alright. So the Torx screw that you're going to need is a T30. Removed. Alright, we're going to reuse the same screw, obviously, put it right through, and put it back, and tighten everything back up. obviously wants to twist, so just keep it in place. Alright, so nice and tight. Now let's go ahead and measure the distance where we need to cut out a hole to put the strap through. So obviously, I mean, this is not science, so we don't have to be exact, but basically, right from around this hole to the beginning of the strap is about 1 inch, and the strap itself is also about 1 inch in width. So measure about 1 inch from this point, from the end to the left end of the hole. That's where the strap hole will begin, and then another inch, and maybe less than 1/4 of an inch in height. Okay, so let's go ahead and do the measurements and cut things out. Right, now grab your exact knife tool. Once again, just measure the distance, make sure it's not too long. Before cutting everything out completely, just pull the strap through to make sure everything fits nicely. Put it back in place. Alright, looks good. Now, let's cut things off. Alright. Put it back in place. Alright, here's your strip. One tiny cleanup. Okay. Alright, that's the strap. Let's put the plastic fasteners back in place. Okay. Back in. And the pull strap's installed. Let's test it out. Works like a charm. Alright guys, so that was a quick and easy install of the trunk pull strap. So hopefully that was useful for you. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, please don't forget to give thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you on the next install video. Take care.